I'm about to give you some advice on how to be just a little bit richer than you are today. The first thing you need to do is live like a student. When you get that first job, it's really cool. I remember looking at cars and thinking, I want this car. Fortunately, I kept my junker. Number two, you shouldn't use credit cards. I remember bill collectors calling me every 2 minutes. You're better off using a debit card when you need to just not use cash. Number three is save up 6 months' income. If you don't like your job at some point, or you get fired, or you have to move, or something goes wrong, you're gonna need at least 6 months' income. Then what I would do is probably put it into the cheapest SPX, Standard & Poor's mutual fund that I could find. I used to love to walk through bookstores when there were bookstores everywhere. And if there's something that caught my eye, and I thought it can give me one idea, to spend $30 to give one idea that could help propel me, make my businesses better, it was a bargain.